Good one.
Oh, that's a
Kokanee. Hey man, get that net, Jim.
yeah, that's a nice kokanee.
I've never had a kokanee before.
Well, I've never seen one caught that way.
Hit him on the glow in the dark.
That's a nice kokanee.
Don't worry. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. I didn't want to lose that baby. Never had a kokanee before. That's a sleek looking fish, man. Oh yeah, they're like a little torpedo. Thank you, Jim.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
He's a
First
pretty one.
kokanee, man.
Yeah.
Look at that baby. Whoa.
Hey.
Gonna get you back in the water.
There you little bugger.
All right. It's another kokanee. No, that's a lake trout. It's on the anchor line there.
Oh. You got all your lines.
Yes, Chuck.
Holy Christ, you got a mess going on there.
I know it, man, and it's braid too.
I
I
got
just
it all over your. It's on the anchor. It's on you. Wrapped around the fish.
lake trout. Yeah. They got the white specks on them, kind of with a gray background.
Their tail's real forked. That's how you can really tell.
Yeah.
See the difference in the fork from that and the kokanee?
That one's got more of a straight box tail. Something gonna happen.
I'm throwing this little one back.
Don't let him have no slack. Oh, that looks pretty good. That's not too bad. Oh shit! No. Put the net on this one. Steer him this way. Oh yeah, now lift him on up. We won't get him tangled up in the neck.
All right, Willis is no longer a virgin.
Good job. Whoa. There you go. Ooh.
There he is.
All right. Lash yourself to the boat, man. Yeah, not too bad. Oh no, maybe not. You go. Pretty little guy though. Back you go.
There you go, nice fish, Jeff.
Well, he has a little bit of shrinkage when he gets to the surface.
Skinny.
Yeah, he's a skinny one.
Throw him back.
Yeah. He's going back in. He was fun to catch though. Give me that back. Oh, there you go.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, he's not too bad. I've kept him probably smaller than that before. What do you think? Stringer or not?
Oh, no, he's smaller than that. Look at him.
They shrink a little bit. Yeah, they tend to shrink when they come aboard. Oh, hold on there, buddy. Let's have a look at you.
Quit hitting me. He must have moved on.
Ooh, man, he's bleeding for being hooked in the bottom of the chin. Oh no, I got him in the side of the mouth. You'll be all right. Go down deep where the pressure is.
I must have hooked him good.
Yeah, he don't want to come off. Don't want to let go of that bait. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. You want that net?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, I see some color now.
Oh.
Yeah, he's
That butt
a stringer.
Well, I got to keep him because he's small.
Yeah. Not that bad.
This is what I caught all my big fish on. With a 5.4.
5.4 on the Richter scale. Hook set.
These are all little bitty looks a little nicer.
Well,
I
he's,
don't know if they get him out of the water.
yeah, when they're below the surface, they do.
He's little.
Yeah, he's a little one. Got him in the chinny chin. On the outside of his mouth, really.
That's 6 I've thrown back.
Yeah. Come here, buddy. We're going to get you back in the water. Ho, 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 ho. Now, ho. Pretty little old guy. Lake Trout.
I can't hardly get this hook
Gotta love him.
again.
Go on back to the deep.
Yeah, this is a better.
All right, I got the net.
Oh, I see what it is now, John. What? Here, let me help you bring that in.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Let me get this net down there. Woo! Yeah, pretty one, buddy.
Willis.
Woo! Nice one. Question is, who caught it?
Well, I think he's swallowed mine again. Just down his throat, isn't it? Or Willis's.
Yeah, buddy. Let me see. Have a look here and see what's going on.
There. What do we got, Willis?
Yeah, he's got it in pretty deep. That's a pretty fish, though. He's still on the green side. All right, another good one. There, got that sucker.
You got one?
Yeah. He's saying he don't want to come up. He's pulling a little bit of drag.
There you go, Will. You get a bite now.
Yeah, I gave you some bait.
Oh yeah, he's a little better.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I guess he can go on the stringer.
No, he's pretty nice.
Whoa.
Need help, Jim?
No, I got him. He's not that big. And he looks like
Nice
he's...
fish.
Yeah, he's all right. That's not too bad a fish.
Oh, 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 don't do that, that big. I got down there for you.
Pull her skirt up a little extra high.
Pull that skirt up, and there'll be a big surprise for you. Oh, that is a much nicer fish. That's your biggest one you've caught.
Is it?
Yeah, oh yeah. We better net that one.
Oh, I get it.
Oh my God, yeah. He's gonna break you off. That fish is fighting now.
He got a little
I
extra,
thought he was gonna break
got
you
some
off.
extra energy in from somewhere.
Oh, he got them bubbles out.
Maybe that's what it is.
Look how nice this one is. It's a nice one.
All right.
Now he got his wits about him. Now he, oh yeah, maybe I'll keep him. He's the nicest
Yeah.
one I've caught yet.
Yeah, this is
Chance to
nice.
call him.
Well, if you get
He
it.
fillets them and skins them and then he fries them. There should be, oh yeah, there's one more stringer in here. Is there room
Yeah,
on that one?
I'll put him on there.
All right.
Put him right up here at the top.
How do you like this? You having fun?
Oh, hell yes.
What the hell, man? Get
I don't know what the
your
fuck's
game
going
on here, buddy.
Something went on crazy with this thing.
Yeah, we should probably.
I can't use that one right now.
Yeah.
This is the last one unless I fix that one.
Hey.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's just like Jim's. Maybe a half an inch shorter.
All right. Let's see. There's one more there. We'll put one on this one.
Do what?
Said he chewed that off.
Uh-oh.
Ah, we got,
Oh, yeah. He's a frisky one.
he's a wild one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Willis. Dynamite.
Yeah. I think I hooked him in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah.
A good hook on that one.
Oh, you hooked him good. That'd be easy to get out.
He gets to the surface and he shrinks a couple inches.
You got a spanker, remember? Right out there. Hey, hey, hey. Easy.
That's not too bad a fish.
Oh, perfect hook. Don't do that. You're gonna break it off.
Got you that time.
He's nothing.
Yeah. Let him blow some bubbles.
It's a pretty nice one. Looks like, anyway.
Well,
Till you get
they
'em.
always do, yeah, until they break the surface, then they ain't quite so big. But they're sure pretty. It's a pretty fish. Hoo, now, hoo. Whoa. Pretty nice fish.
He's just laying there.
Oh. Yeah. Where'd he go?
He's going underneath the boat.
That's normally the sign of a big fish.
Well, Willis, it looks like he's trying to get his under the
There he
boat
is,
too.
right there. Got him?
Got him.
Got him.
Oh God, hurry up and get him out of the net. Willis has got a monster.
All right. Well,
Get him on out of there.
Oh, Will's got a beauty.
Woo!
That's a nice one. Look at that one.
That's
I
a
want to get
dandy.
picture of you with that.
Whoa.
Wow.
Get him in the net.
Woo! Yeah, Willis,
Yeah.
buddy. Ha ha! Woo! Yeah.
Woo.
That's a nice fish. Holy cow. Woo-hoo-hoo.
That's a dandy, Willis. Hell, what's that little thing with him?
Oh my gosh, he barfed up
Yeah,
a
look what
coho or something. What is
Little
that?
salmon, I think.
Holy cow.
No, it's a little rainbow.
Wow, he spit that right out.
All right, keep him in the
Look
center
at
of the
fish he
boat.
had in him. Hang on, I'm going to turn this on.
Yeah, man, he had this. This fish was inside of him.
Gulp that.
Hold that so you can sew like what was inside of him. Beautiful fish. Good job. See in the bottle. There's a wide mouth bottle somewhere around here.
And just dump it in the water. Oh, you got your fish though.
Yeah, I got
Are
him.
you filming that? No? You should put that on the film. You can catch them with a broken rod.
Yeah, that was a
That's
6,
why
6.0.
everybody uses ugly sticks, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, maybe an ugly
Right
stick
there.
would be in order.
That's why. That's all I have.
Yep, creek marine.